What up guys, I'm Thales and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're gonna be checking out So in this video, let's check out this awesome keycaps for your keyboard. So in this video, we're gonna be checking out the best print settings to print it. So let's go. So first, let's analyze these beautiful models. As you can see right here, we got the bangings right here and some spooky Halloween models. And we got some hearts to attach right here on the penguin. So this is a really nice model to print. Let's go to the print settings. So first, over here in layer height, we're gonna be decreasing this value to a really low point. So to 0.08 millimeters. So this is gonna be a really fine and really small layer to print. And the first layer is going to be this value as well. Oh, there's a lot of zeros, 0.8. So this way we're gonna get a better quality print by printing really small layers, because this model is really small. So we need to reduce this value so we can get a better quality print. Over here in vertical shells, we're gonna be leaving at 3. 3 is a good value for this case because this is a mechanical part. So you're gonna be utilizing, so it needs to be really dense and rigid. Before we go to infill, we're gonna be going over here to advanced, and right here on external perimeters, we're gonna be selecting a 0.22 millimeters. So it's set to 0, so it's set to default, and we're gonna be changing so we can get a better quality print. For perimeters, we're gonna be selecting 0.25 millimeters. You can be doing the same thing on your Bamboo if you're using Bamboo Studio for outer walls and inner walls. So you can be changing this on the quality part on the Bamboo Studio. For infill density, we're gonna be selecting a 25% infill in gyroid. After that, we're gonna go to support material. We do not need any brim for this case, so remember to clean your build plate so you can get a good bed adhesion. So always clean with some isopropyl alcohol and detergent. So this way you're going to get a clean build plate without any fingerprints, oils from your fingers, or dust, because your keycaps can fall off your printer. For support, we're going to be auto-generating support. In this video, we're going to be choosing, if you're using Bamboo Studio, choose the tree. So the style, it's going to be tree automatic, and you're going to be using the tree hybrid. In this case, we do not have this in Prusa, so we're going to be selecting organic. So it's going to print the tree, but right here in top interference layers, we're going to be just reducing to 2 to default. We can be going as low as 1 layer, so it's easier to remove, but I'm going to be selecting 2 layers. But on Bamboo Studio, choose the tree hybrid. If you're using Bamboo Studio, on bottom surface, you can select the pattern to monotonic. This is quite nice. This is a tip. So as you can see, the keycaps are ready to slice, and so let's do it. So we have sliced, but we got conflicting G-codes. So let's just arrange these keycaps a little bit far away. So you can just go to arrange right here, but instead of just clicking arrange, you can right click and add a little bit of a spacing. This way we're going to space a little bit so you can get a custom spacing that we want. So just select, right click, add a little bit of spacing. So let's say right here 15, and arrange. So as you can see, we have arranged a little bit more spaced out. So now let's slice. Now they're good. So we have arranged and we have sliced. It doesn't have to be that far away, but this looks fantastic. It's gonna take 4 hours and 52 minutes to print. And if you go to speed, you will see that it reduces a little bit of the speed while printing some small perimeters, and they look fantastic. So this way we're gonna get a really nice quality print. We got some support right here, so they're gonna look quite nice. So now grab a really nice filament that you have laying around and print this model. If you want to print it multicolor, what I would recommend is print more models in the same build plate, and all of the other configurations will apply to the multicolor version. So the models are ready to print. Make sure to check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLflix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.